It's Ipsy Drop Shop time, so if you want to see what I chose, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me, and Chloe's off doing her own thing, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun, fashion, beauty, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so I got a few things in the shop. I actually thought I got more, but this little bag came in, so I must have decided to keep it a little bit more reasonable. Let's play the game of what did I order. I will put the MSRP and the Ipsy price up there for you. But first, by Ilia, we have a multi-stick. This is their shea butter, orange wax, and avocado oil. This is like lips and cheek, and this is in the shade A Fine Romance. And I've really been into the Ilia brand. They are cruelty-free, and they just have such beautiful, like, simple packaging. That's a beautiful shade. Might have gotten a couple of these. Yep. This is in the shade Dreamer. This one, as you can see, is a little bit more of a coral pink. I still call it a pink, but definitely has a little bit more of a coral to it. And All of Me. This is the barest hint of pink. Let's look at all three together. I think there's only three. There's four. All right, and this is In the Mood. So this is just a little bit lighter than the last shade was. And that's a light, like a kiss of pink. I don't feel anything else that shade. So there they go, from the first to the last, kind of hard to hold. These two have a little bit more of a peach in them, and these two are more of your pinks. Even though this looks like it has a peach on, it looks like just a real light pink. Next, we have, this must have been a free gift, the Clarks Ultra Rich Lip Balm, because I don't recall ordering that. But sometimes they have free gifts, so that might have been it. From e.l.f., we have the eyeliner. This is a waterproof eyeliner. Oh, yes, I ordered it because it was one of these types, which I love. And this is vegan and cruelty-free. Love e.l.f. And by Bare Minerals, we have the Complexion Rescue Highlighting Blush in Peach Glow. And then last, from Morphe, this is their Sky Fi 6-pan palette. So these first four here, and then the last two, those are pigmented. I went back in with the two middle ones. They're very light, so if you are looking for kind of a lighter touch, this is a great palette for that. You've got some dark, but it's mostly lighter color, so you can have that kind of no makeup look. All right, let me know your thoughts down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.